Yes. Come home to the body, right? So if the master is not present in the house, all kind of shady characters will take up the residence there. By Eckhart Tolle. Very, very important to remember. What do you mean by Manisha, come home to the body? You are doing breath exercise, you are remembering who you are, you are doing body scan, you are doing the light filling up in your body. Anything that you are doing, whether you are present in the body, not in your mind, in your thinking brain, what will happen and what not here, but in the body, you are home to your body. At any time you are home to your body, nobody can come, right? When you are at your home, nobody can come. But when you have just locked the home and went, burglar can come, anybody can come and steal things. Same in the body. Nothing can happen to you till the time you are present in your body. Learning something. So if you are present in the body, nobody else can. No disease can. The only time some disease can come is you are not present. So they are like all the shady characters. Time mil gaya unko. Right? Okay, so just close your eyes. We will do a 5D meditation. A very beautiful. So just close your eyes. We'll log into 5D dimension. Take some deep breath. Let yourself relax. And now I would love you to log in to 5 dimension. How to log in? See that you are typing up www.5dimension.com and you have logged it into 5th dimension. Put your user ID. Mine is Healthy Abundant Manisha. Put the password. You put your user ID and password and log into this 5th dimension. As you have logged into 5th dimension, I would love you to see your whole body is actually there. You can see the picture of your whole body there. And then you can see there's drag and drop option. And you can get anything new from there. So you see multiple options there and you can choose any particular option for any body part. For your brain, you can see healthy brain, shiny brain, peaceful brain, intelligent brain, intelligent, happy and peaceful all together, shining like new. And you decide to pick up healthy and shiny and peaceful brain from there and fit it into your system in that picture of yours where it was, where you can put yours, and you change it and you put it there. Now your brain is shiny, peaceful, intelligent. Now you see the heart option. Any option you can choose. Healthy, strong heart which pumps the blood really well and is 100% efficient. I'm choosing that. Fitting inside my scanned picture which is there in my body. Now it's my heart. Now See the shiny, lustrous hair, strong hair. You take that option, put it on your. You see the feet, strong, hiking legs, toned up. You take that option, put it in your system. And now it's yours, legs. That strong, hiking legs is yours now. You have put that in your system now. Now you take a straight, strong spine, peaceful spine, correct posture spine. Any option you can choose from there that you want and fit it in your system. So now you have this strong spine, new spine. Your stomach, choose the stomach. No matter how much you eat, it's always flat, which is a healthy gut. Digest foods really well, working at 110% efficiency. Take it and you put it in your system. And now your new system is completely ready. You click on log out. See yourself logging out of the fifth dimension and you're coming out. And now as you are coming out, you are scanning your brain, your new, healthy, intelligent, and peaceful brain. And you're telling me about your brain. So describe me about your brain. How is your brain? Describe me in words. How is your brain? Well done. Tell me about your spine. How is your new spine that you have just downloaded right now? Now tell me about your new downloaded heart. How is that? How is your hairs? The new downloaded hair. Describe it. How are your legs? Describe them. Now open your eyes with your new body. and let me know, how do you feel? How do you feel with this fifth dimension and getting up this new complete body? Let me know in the chat. How do you feel? Or you can just unmute. जितना टाइम लिखने में लगेगा उससे कम टाइम बोलने में लगेगा. Tell me, how do you feel in your body? Are you, can you see a new, fresh body, downloaded body? Can you live
New
with that?
new software uploaded.
Yeah, I love that. New software uploaded. Feeling that in your body?
Yeah, though I came in late, I'm sorry, Manisha.
It's okay. It's okay. New software uploaded. Love that. So remember that new software is uploaded now. Now, no more, oh my God, I have that, I have this. No, nothing is there living because new software has uploaded now. Great. How do you feel, Harshita?
I'm feeling good. I'm just trying to imagine that all that.
Yeah.
Some parts I am able to imagine, not able to imagine.
Try it again. Okay. So you can do it anytime. Okay. Anytime we find ourselves complaining, I would love you to just sit and just see that new, when we buy something new, there's a shiny shine there, right? So see the brain like shining shine there. See the legs like a shining shine there. Like that, you'll be able to imagine it better. Okay.
Sticker?
Good. You will be able to do it with practice. Yes, Jennifer.
I said sticker, the new
Yeah,
label.
good idea. Sticker also you can imagine. So a shiny or a new sticker. You are putting up the sticker and then installing it here. Great idea. Yeah, Sangeeta, how was it for you?
I don't know how I am feeling at this time, but I was definitely feeling like I am in kind of PUBG like some game
Love.
where I am finding organs
Yeah.
as I wish the upgraded versions.
Best game for health, right? We can play this game anytime. It's a good game for health. Normally the games are not good for us. Love that, Sangeeta. Yeah, Shakuntala, how was it for you?
Hi, ma'am. I
Hi.
just felt it's like a new body, just born body with all organs working fine, energetic,
Beautiful.
and all the cells are dancing, partying.
Love that. Love that.
Felt very nice.
Amazing. Well done, all
Thank
of you.
you.
Well done. Pat your back. Perfect. Well done. Well done. That's the memory that I would love you. So don't forget whatever you are learning in health. And then when we move to the next topic, remember that, right? Let it be part of you now. Now you are not a normal person. You have done health or alchemy. So now you are health superstars, health Shaktimans. You can create whatever you want to. You're not a normal human being now. Okay, that you will worry about your health. Oh, this happened. Oh, that happened. You are not that. Okay, test. Test. Let's get ready. Saying no. This is not a condition necessary or permanent in my life. This is what will be my new story. This is called dash law. Saying no, this is not a condition necessary or permanent in my life. This is not going to be my story. This law is called which law? Test. Yes, no,
Release
yes,
law?
which law?
Release?
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Photo.
No law.
No law. Yeah, no law. This is called no law. I can change my story at any point. So when your brain starts to think, oh my God, now I don't know that person also this happened and this is going to happen to me. No, this is not going to be my story. My story will be different. And then we create a new story for ourselves, right? This is called no law.
No.
Let's move. Second, get ready, all of you. You know your identity has shifted when you say, I am not dash. When you come across sick people or content or any health advice or XYZ, whatever, we are flooded with unnecessary advices. So, unnecessary podcasts, unnecessary things. So, you know that your identity has completely shifted when you say, I am not. I'm not what?
A mirror?
I'm not a mirror. Mirror?
I means I don't reflect back their thoughts or their
Yes, good. I'm
Feeling.
not that person, right?
Hmm.
I'm not living in that vertex.
Mm.
My vertex is different,
Correct, correct.
right? I'm not that. It's not my story. Beautiful.
Mm.
Last. Get ready. Divine intelligence expresses its dash in or through me now. Which
Mm.
affirmation before bed every
Per-
day? Divine.
Perfection.
Yes. Perfection through me now, right? Divine intelligence is expressing its beautiful perfection through me now, in me now. Anything you can use. So, divine intelligence expresses its perfection in me now. Because when divine is going to make, it's going to be perfect, right? Beautiful. Well done. So, you all remember. Yeah, pat your back again. I can't, so all of you do it your own self. Okay. Now we will go into fear today. So fear is just a protection mechanism. So we all get feared up ki pata nahi, this is happening with people nowadays, heart attack is rising nowadays, anxiety is happening, and now my heart is getting weak, my bones are getting weak, and this is getting weak, and that is getting weak, and this is not working, and that is not working. So fear is just a protection mechanism. It is not evil. So just know that it's trying to protect you. It's not an evil thing which you will get really feared of with the fear. We get feared with the fear, right? So it's a protection mechanism. It is convincing you, but it is rarely right. It's fantasized experiences appearing real. That's the full form of fear. Did you know that? Fantasized experiences appearing real. Fantasized experiences in my mind which are appearing real to me. It's not real, but I'm feeling like it's real. Right? So fantasized experiences appearing real. So it's just a protection mechanism. Now, how to deal when fear comes? All of us go through fear, right? Something or the other. Now, how to deal with it? Let's go. Number one, pain body meditation. What is pain body meditation? I'll give you around 11 health meditations you can do at any point. So from today to the next 10 days, I'll be giving you 10 meditations on health. Complete new. You can keep on practicing by changing them, right? Sometimes this, sometimes that. Keep changing, but every day you need to come home to your body. So pain body meditation is where you are observing your pain. You are an observer. You are not the experiencer. You become the observer and see from where. For example, something happened in the past, something happened with that person, and every time you are meeting that person, every time you are coming in front of the person, that same pain is emerging. That same pain is coming, right? Anybody felt that? Anytime you meet that person, the same pain is actually coming again, like the same as if you are being cut down again. It's not happening now, but because the experience was so real at that point, so intense emotion was there, that you feel the same pain at that point again when you are meeting or when you are talking or when you hear somebody else talk about that person, right? So this is when you have to heal your pain body. So I will be sharing this pain body meditation, which I would love all of you to see and experience the pain. Eckhart Tolle also has this pain body meditation. You can do that too. His voice is a little bit not that, but I will make it, or you can do it through YouTube, anything. But very important if you want to heal the root cause, right? Whenever you are feeling a lot of pain around something. So that is number one way of dealing with fear. That is doing the pain body meditation, going to the root of the problem. Second way of dealing with fear is, this is very, very effective. Now you have this whole tied up, ulta pulta, ऐसे करके बहुत सारे धागे रखे हुए. It's very difficult. Now you have taken each color, taken time and tied up and kept it properly. This is known as tagging of thought. Just think of all the color wools ekdam ek saath, they are in it. And now you are taking up red color, putting it together. White color, putting it together. Yellow color, putting it together. This is what tagging of thoughts does. Okay, so what is tagging of thought? Anytime you are feeling any fearful thought, I would love you to tag it. Okay, I am having a fear about my past. Okay, I'm having fear about my future. Okay, I'm having fear about that person. So tag it, give it a tag. Okay, don't leave it untagged. Give it a tag. First important step. So what is that? So give it a tag. Now, once you have given it a tag, now you come to the present moment. Okay, I'm having a thought about, I'm getting overwhelmed about my future, that what will happen if I lose all money, what will happen if I lose all my health, what will happen if I will get this diabetes and I'll never be able to heal, what will happen if I'll be on bed and there will be nobody to see me. Okay, I'm having a fear about my future. First step. Second, what am I doing now? I'm brushing my teeth. So let me put my attention to brush, taste of the toothpaste. How is it cleaning? Spitting it out, feeling the fresh feeling. So coming to the present. So two types of fear will be. One will be from past. You will tag it as a past. It's over. Let me come to the present because present is my reality. Future thought, again, pull yourself to the present. In both the cases, so you will tag it and then is it past, is it future? And then you will come to the present. What are you doing? I'm eating. Let me taste the food. Let me taste how it is. Let me see the texture of the food. Let me see how the beautiful food is going to do in my body. Are you understanding me? Because we cannot, energy can only be changed from one form to another form. We cannot control it. Ki, nahi, 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 I don't want to think. You can only direct it into a new path. So you are directing it. Understood? Tagging the thoughts, all of you. Very important and very effective that you can do at any time. Number three is pivoting your thoughts. Now, anybody had that feeling when you start to Google, you start to think about and you start to like, oh my God, now this is happening. How will I actually take care of this? And now this happened. You're going into that cycle and you're psyched up with that, right? You're not able to control. You're going in that cycle. Pivot it. What is pivoting? Okay, I know what I don't want in my body. Let me see what I do want in my body. Are you seeing? So pivoting it into a complete new direction. Okay, I know what I don't want. I would love it. Oh, what do I want in my, okay, I'm feeling my legs are getting weaker day by day and I don't know, I don't feel any strength in my body. I don't feel strength in my complete body and my legs are getting weaker and my body is getting weaker. Okay, stop. What do I want in my body? I want strong bones. I want strong legs. I want strong spines. I want to feel happy, comfortable, and strong in my body. I want to feel peaceful in my body. I would love you to think about what do I want and what do I love about having all this. Helpful? Getting it? So the thoughts will come, but now you are putting your microscope to a different direction. Otherwise, you're putting the microscope on what do you want. And we know whatever you focus on expands. We cannot afford to put the microscope to the wrong things, right? We can only afford to put the microscope on the things that we really want to have in our life. We cannot afford to put the microscope in the wrong places. So what do I love about having it? What do I want? There your focus should go. Getting it? So that is what pivoting your thoughts. Understood, all of you? Pivoting your thoughts from what I don't want, you are moving to what I do want. So anytime I don't want this. This, by the way, you can do for anything in your relationship, in anything you can do. Anything you are starting to think a lot. Oh my God, I don't want my children to be indisciplined. I don't want them to do this. What do I do want? I want to have a very beautiful relationship with them. I want them to really grow up as strong, confident human being. I want really putting up the attention there because that's the only thing which is there in your control and that's the only way you can make that happen. That's your power and you are leaving your power and pata nahi where are you putting your power where you don't have any power, right? Let's move. Number 4. Number 5th, Stay present in your senses. How to be stay present in your senses? Pick up any of the meditation where you're coming home to your body. We started this class with this. And just be present of your senses. Because when the master is at home, no shady characters can take place. When you are at home, who will come? Nobody can come, right? Because you are already at home, you have kept a lock, and people are also knowing that she is at home. When you are also at your home body, no one can come. No disease is there allowed to come. So every day, take your time and be present in your senses. Be present in your senses. Tomorrow, I will be giving you the 21 days routine that you will follow. It will not take more than 15 minutes, but if you do that every single day, you will be mastering your health, right? You don't have to worry about this part, that part, this heart, and don't worry. You don't have to worry about anything. Everything will be perfect because you have mastered your health. You are putting that attention every single day. Even just 15 minutes we need. Okay, just 15 minutes every day. So I'll be giving you the whole 21 days routine that you can follow for every single day. Come home back to your own self, and nothing else can actually matter and bother you. Okay. Yes, endless loop. So it's just start in endless loops. I would love all of you to stop there and just go in a different direction. Right? All right. All right. All of you got it? Learned something? Was it helpful? Learned it? Great. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it's 1001. All of you look up and God give me perfect health. I'm blessed with perfect health. Everything is working out in my health properly, beautifully, perfectly. I'm made to do great things with this body, and my body always supports me. Always. All right, great. Well done. We'll see each one of you tomorrow. And tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will be completing up this, leaving you with 21-day health challenge. All these learnings, I hope it's making an impact on you and you are able to see yourself behaving differently, think differently, and do differently as you are walking into it, right? That's the whole agenda. So wish you all the best. We'll see you tomorrow. Till the time, take care of yourself. You are amazing creature of God. So you don't have to worry. Sending you lots of love. Sending love to Shakuntala, sending love to Harshita, sending love to Jennifer, sending love to Sangeeta, sending so much of love to Chotu baby, all of you. Chalo, come. Just let's do our soul hug. Remember, I'm always hugging you. So you are never alone. Always I'm hugging you. Keep this hug. Take care. Love you. Take care. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow.